just at Telaga Tujuh Waterfall in Langkawi. I'll show you what it's like. That's the name of the place. And that's the outside. It's just right next to the cable car. There's only one coming now. You can only go one way because it winds up being a dead end. And you pay 2 ringgits to park your bike. I guess for a car it'd be a little bit more. And this is it. I see how the trek is. I know they do a walking trek through the mountains up to the top, but I won't be doing that one. It's too hot for that. I'm just gonna walk up. I know there's 2 sections up, I've been told. One is about 100 steps, the other's like 2 to 300 steps, I believe. Definitely a scorching day today. Blue skies, virtually no cloud at all. I believe it's around 31 degrees. And it's good that it's good steps, because there are many waterfalls I've been on, or been to I should say, and they've been a bit of a trek to get to. As you can see, I'm out of breath already. I've not even gone that far and I've got all of that to do. I don't think it's too bad of a walk. I've only done that much. Just shows how unfit I am, I guess. I'm sitting on my arse on the beach too long. I don't know whether you're picking up the sign, but it's got the 7 wells straight up and a waterfall to your left. So the waterfall's not that far away, but I guess the 7 wells is right at the top. As I said on the way down, you can do a trek through the mountain parts, you know, do a mountain trek, but I won't be doing that one. I guess the 7 wells is up there. The waterfall must be here. Ranger office, toilet, 7 wells. Okay, trail. Yeah, it's not that bad of a walk actually. For anyone coming here, it's not too strenuous, I guess. Well, this part of the waterfall is heading downhill, which is nice. The first steps were like uphill, but yeah, it's all downhill from here, which is good. Like the falls, looks like there's quite a bit of water coming down. Considering there hasn't been much rain here, there's a fair bit of water about. So I went back to the other waterfall I went to. There's only 2 waterfalls on this island. I went back to the other one and it was pretty much dried up. There was virtually no water there. But this one here, which is on a totally the opposite side of the island, Looks like there's a fair bit of water, because there was nothing coming down on the last one I went to, but the first time I went there was quite a bit. I don't think it's worth going in because it's so shallow, but I'll probably dip my feet in there and see what it feels like. To find an easy way down without sliding, let's just do a jump. Let's sit there anyway. Looks impressive. I don't want to put my bag down because I just saw a monkey over there, and the monkey's just there, look. Oh, there's a couple of them, and they're ready to take anything from your bag, so be aware of that. And the last thing you want is the whole bag going missing. All they're really after is food, but they'll probably take more than that without you realising. Crystal clear. There are fishes in here, because I see a couple. In fact, there's loads of them just over there. The camera probably won't pick it up from this distance, but it just shows it's good water if there's loads of fishes in there. That's for sure. Dip my feet in here, see what it's like. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, nice and cool. As you can see, crystal clear. It's so hot, I'm tempted to dunk my whole body in, but I don't want to get wet just yet because I'm going to go to somewhere else after this. It'll probably take a while to dry off. Take a walk up to the other section to see what it's like. Don't know whether there's a lot of water up there or not, but I should see what it's like, and I'll show you what it looks like down there as well. Yeah, well that's it. I'll show you the bottom of it. Got a nice seating area out of the sun. A couple of them. That's just the other section. Oh, there is a bit of a pool down there as well. Make my way down. Hopefully I can make my way back up easy enough. So these rocks are quite smooth. Well, it's easy enough to get down there. Just got to be the easiest waterfall I've been to, actually. As you can see, many fishes. Don't know whether you're picking it up. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, the rock is definitely slippery when there's water on it. I fell twice though. Oh, this is quite deep. I'm a bit dubious about leaving my bag because there's no one around, and these monkeys, they're always on the bags. Secure my bag properly so they can't actually see what's in it, because as I said, they really just want the food. Oh, it's nice and cool. Oh, plenty of fishes in there. Oh. Oh, that is lovely. That's a nice cool down. Real nice cool down. Crystal clear as well, look. See my feet. Really nice. I could see the locals which was up there. I could see why, because on a hot day like this, as I've seen on the other beaches as well as the other waterfall, they bring a little food, they bring a little barbecue, and barbecue up some fish amongst everything else, and they wind up chilling here for the day. Nice. Quite deep as well. Let's see how far deep it goes. Well, I can walk all the way and I can see my foot, and I'm at shoulder length now. I mean shoulder height. I'm tiptoeing a bit, so it's quite deep. Not bad. It's definitely refreshing, that's for sure. Stunning views. Let's go over to this side to see whether I can catch the waterfall coming down. Oh, the rock is so slippery, I can't even walk. I'm trying to walk on the bottom and I just keep slipping. There we go, I'm on a rock now. A bit higher. Oh, so slippery. And I've got my sandals on. I guess if you're barefoot you'd have a little bit more of a grip, I would guess. But I'm not quite sure. But you know, I can't even get up there because I just keep slipping. There's a big step up onto that there. Lovely and refreshing. It's a shame there wasn't this much water up the top there, but there isn't. It's just very shallow, less than knee height. Can I even get back to my bag? I'm trying to walk and it's just, I'm going nowhere. It just keeps, oh, the camera's gone in, which I didn't want. I see, look, the monkey, I don't know whether you're picking it up, but it's looked at me thinking, oh look, there's someone in there. He's on his own. He's got a bag, unattended. They're gonna have a little scout about, no doubt. So I get closer. Now I'm not near no big stones, so I can actually walk on this gravel bit. See the monkey there having a scout. Trying to ease up on my bag. Looking to thief something. Look, he's even hiding around the... Oh right, okay, he's looking in that bag. But yeah, they're out for anything. Yeah, look, he's playing a smart one. He's got a bit of thinking, oh yeah, I've got something, I don't need nothing else. He's found a little something, but really that was just a decoy. The decoy to get my bag. Shame people leave their little plastics here, or probably that's probably what a monkey stole previously and just left it there. Look, he's playing, he's not even looking, he's playing that he don't even notice me, but he knows I'm here because that's why he came over. He came over for my bag. He's trying to pull a fast one on me. Yep, that's the only thing you got to be careful of here, is don't leave your bag unattended, because they'd be quick to run and grab it. And chewing on the plastic, pretending that he's interested in the plastic. Where he's just so close to me. Look, he's even turned his back like to say, oh, he's paying me no mind. But having a good old look around still. Looking for his getaway when he grabs the bag. Which route is he going to take where I can't chase him or throw a stone at him? Because I know that's what the locals do. They wind up just throwing little stones at him and they wind up going. It's just chillaxing. I was hoping to see some more of the other type of monkeys, the white-eyed monkeys. Can't remember the name of them. He's coming in closer. He's having a butcher's. Oops, I just heard something go into the water there. Maybe he's trying to... They're working brain on me. Something just went into the water there. I don't know what it was, but it did sound quite large. Maybe it's his mate trying to pull a decoy on me, make a bit of noise over here, making me think that to have a look over this side. And look, he's getting closer and closer. He's thinking humans ain't got no brains, because he's trying to ease in slowly and slowly. He's really so close to me, as you can see right there. He's very, very close. In fact, I will hold my bag on its handle, so that way he can't just grab it and run. Because I've seen them do that. Even though they're real close to you, they will make a quick sprint, grab the bag and run. But something, I don't even want to go back into the water there, because something big definitely dropped in there. I don't know whether the camera picked up the noise of it, but whatever it was what fell, it definitely weren't small. Oh look, I could see, oh, it was a lizard. I just saw a lizard come back out. I just saw the tail of it. Maybe it's just another one gone in there, or maybe it's the same one what gone in and came back out. But that's the monkey there. So it wasn't another monkey pulling a decoy on me. I actually should have wear another pair of boxer shorts underneath. This one here it's checkered and it's showing straight through my shorts, which ain't good. Well, it's just as well I had a pair of boxer shorts on, otherwise I'd have everything exposed, and I'd have to walk back with a towel around me. Yeah, look, now he's gone because he knows I've got my bag in my hand. He ain't going to get a chance taking anything. So he's going to find another culprit. I see the locals not only come here to swim, but they come to have a wash as well, which I don't blame them, because I guess they don't have a lot of running water here, I guess, and the water is pretty clean. Not that I would want to bathe in it, but yeah, people back home and in the Western world, I don't know how lucky they got it, because a lot of people got to come here and have a wash. I'll quickly show you them, and I'll make it brief because I'm sure they don't want to be filmed having a wash. But yeah, even brush their teeth in here as well, which I was quite surprised. But so I said the water's pretty clean. There's fishes in the water, and I can see my feet when I was up to my shoulders, so it can't be that bad. That's where I'm at. Yeah, well, I finished it. I've been here for about 2 hours in the water and just chilling, drying off a bit. I'd probably make my way up to the top, and I see whether I can be bothered to or not. I'm still debating that. Decided to take the walk up to the 7 wells. Not sure what's up there, but I know from the cable car I'd done, it's pretty much the same view, but I'm actually on the mountain, not on the cable car looking at it. See what the trek is like. Definitely going to be a sweat box, as you can see the stairs. So yes, I'm going to be well out of breath, but I should give it a go. I see they put some chairs for people to sit on. It's definitely needed. Oh, there's a rest point up there as well. So you got loads of rest points for people. I'm hoping this is the last bit of stairs, but I doubt it very much because they've got some chairs here. So my thoughts is that's not just it. Oh, it looks like it's leveling off a bit. Good to see. Guess it can't be that much of a hill now as they put no more steps. I can see it's a smooth path up. Whew. Sweating away. I guess that's my exercise for today. Normally I have an hour swim in the sea and do some exercise within the water, but I think I've done my day's exercise. I think for the whole week. No, just joking. Little bridge up here. Didn't know that was there. I'll take a look. Looks like they're doing some maintenance work. Looks like they're giving it a repaint. Okay, there was a chill out spot up there. Oh well, it was well worth it. That's the cable cart, as you can see. And yeah, some nice views. Quite nice up here. Just there ain't a great big pool of water to swim in like down the bottom, but there's little spots here to cool off. Nice. I like it. Well, it's worth the sweat to come up here. I think that's it. I don't think there is any more, but I'm going to take a walk around to see whether there is or isn't. This place must get busy at times. It's definitely not busy now, but I've been told pre that nonsense business has gone down here because there's toilets everywhere. I've literally just to walk up here, there's three. There's one just there, one over there, and I passed two on the and yeah, definitely not shortage of that. So there must be a lot of people which come here in the past for them to put so many. This is where the jungle trail point starts from. So you take the stairs up from where I was, and I believe you start tracking into the jungle from here to go to the summit. I don't know whether you can see that peak up the top, but that's it there. And they're all the things you'd come across on the way up. Tarantulas, spiders, scorpions, well as amongst snakes. But yeah, the jungle trail of the 7 wells. I won't do that. If I had my boots on, then maybe I would do it, but I don't want to do that now. Sorry about that, but maybe watch someone else's video, to whoever does it, but I'm not doing that because I'm not geared up for it. And I've only got one water bottle left, which is a small bottle. If I had a litre bottle, then maybe I think I'd chance it. But saying that, I think you got to have a guide with you maybe. They probably wouldn't want you going up there alone just in case you injure yourself. There'd be no one there to help you. And the track, I believe, starts from over there. I know the spiders here because I met someone who got bit. She works in a bar. She's been here for 17 years, an American lady, and she got bit, and it was a nasty bite. It was literally, when she showed me the picture of it, it was like it was eating her skin away. And it was on her forearm, and she had an itch going up to her arm where the venom is spreading. But it's under control now. But yes, I'm definitely not going in there with these on. No chance. Maybe I'll come back another day and do it for another video. And wear my jeans, socks and trainers. And that's how long it is. It's a 2-hour trek up to the peak. Yeah, not geared for that. But I made it quite far up. I guess there's a few tourist people which make it up here, because many of them I've been to, it's just been the locals. I've only seen one local here at the moment. It's all tourist people. All the other places, it's been just the locals. This is definitely the spot. This is where I've been for the last couple of hours, and I was speaking to some locals here who speak good English. And they were giving me lots of information about all different things. I'd love to have put that on camera, but they didn't want to be on camera. But that's where I'm at. Just sitting in the water there, cooling off, taking in the views, having a good old conversation with people. That's them up there, the three of them there. But yeah, real nice. It's a great spot to just chill out all day. And anytime you get too hot, you can just go in the water and cool off. Great place to chill out for the day. The only thing was missing for me here, I should have bought some munchies with me. Meaning I should have bought a bit of food with me. But I know as you get back down to the bottom, there's plenty of places to eat, which I shall do because I'm feeling quite hungry. And you've got to try stuff going into that one there, over there. Many different areas where you could actually just dip yourself in the water and cool off. So nice. It's got a perfect rock here to lie on as well, on my back. Definitely refreshing. It's not cold water, but it's just right to cool you down. I guess I've disturbed all the fishes in here, no doubt. Let's hope none's gone up my shorts. No, I doubt it. Oh yeah, that's another one. Let's go over to this one now. I see the locals when they were down at the bottom. They use these as slides, the rocks, because it's so smooth. And the kids were going up and down it all the time as their little slide. As I'm going to slide down here. Yeah. Whoa. The last thing I want is the water taking me over that, that's for sure. Yep. I see the water pushing me that way. Oh. No. I'm finding it hard to keep my balance. But that's the views from here. Just chilling here all day. Obviously I didn't have my camera with me, so I could use two hands. But yeah, this is a nice chill out spot. Some nice super fresh water, cleansing your skin. Oh. I can't find a good place to sit now with the camera in my hand. That's it, that's better. That's where I was before without the camera. Can't slip now. Yeah, so nice. Let me just quickly dip my head in because I can feel my head burning. Definitely needed. Oh, I can feel the top of my head burning away. So nice. And the most nice thing about it is just soaking in that view. It's great. Oh, we're just chilling. Getting a slight massage from the water running down. It's just constantly flowing downwards. So nice. This is what you call living. Not having to get up every day for work in the freezing cold weather. It's like my own little infinity pond. And the good thing is, it's all downhill when I go back down, so I won't be sweating and tired or nothing like that. And I'm nice and cool from being in the water. I've been sitting on this rock for quite a bit now, like here, around there. And I've been changing spots, as you can see, all these different wet patches, because the rock is absolutely cooking. If my shorts weren't wet, I wouldn't even be able to sit on it, because I sit on it just for a few, not even about a minute, and I have to literally get up and get away from it and then sit back down again or find another spot, because the rock is that hot it burns your bum. Hence, like now I have to actually take my bottom off the rock, because it's starting to burn. I could just imagine how my skin is at the moment. I should have put my hat on, really. I'm sure I've caught a whole load of sun today, that's for sure. Because if my arse is killing me from the heat, I could just imagine what my rest of my skin's getting. For sure. Yeah, they got their own natural slide as well. It's so smooth, you could just slide straight down it. You don't need a slide, which is brilliant. Look, oh, natural slide. That's great. Making my way back down after pretty much spent the whole day here, basically. It was nice. As I said, coming down is always the easiest. Sunset in Patachana beach area. Nice and cool weather now. My local bar. Yeah, it gets a lot busier in the evening. I just stopped off because I came from the waterfall. Just thought I'll have a game of pool and one beer.